soon as everybody's seated, we'll be casting off shortly. Thank you.
What's going on, folks? It's MrBucketlist here. So I just want to give a quick overview of this video to those who may be new to my channel. This is a part of my Everything on Location series. So essentially what I do is I try to make it feel like you're actually there with me. And what that means is I keep everything minimal. So no cheesy music, no crazy transitions, nothing like that. Just the raw footage of me actually being there. That definitely comes to play here because this is essentially a mass memorial, a mass grave. This is Pearl Harbor, so I want to show respect. And again, I want you all to kind of just take it in as I was when I was actually there. So again, I hope you all do find this video educational. I will put timestamps in there. This is a large location. I wasn't able to see everything because I was on a time schedule, but I was able to get quite a bit of footage. So again, hope you learned something from it, and I'll see you soon. How's it going?
What's going on?
Oh, all right. Wow, this place is huge. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I have the Arizona Memorial check-in. So I have to go over here, I believe.
Where you guys are, I was there. I've done it. I paid my
Okay. So yeah, I'm going the right way. So yeah, this place is big. And what I'll do is I'll give a tour once I get over here and get this done.
Does anybody have reservations?
Mm-hmm.
Bring that with us. It's just one of the rules we have. There's no restroom either, so if you have restroom needs that you think you might need for the next 45 minutes.
continue. You see the rain's picking up now. So I am leaving Memorial. Okay, so we are leaving the boat. This is what it looks like. That's what you ride to get on here. Okay, so we are done with the memorial. Now we got some other things we can check out. Shoot. Ooh. So right here you got this area. Oh, it's just about the patio tour, okay. Oh wow. So this is the anchor to the USS Arizona. Wow. That thing is huge. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so right here you actually have the anchor to the USS Arizona. This thing is huge, y'all. Wow. Okay, so behind me we got the USS. I'm not sure what the ship is. It's a submarine. Open. Okay, so I probably should have done a little bit more research before I got here. But yeah, I don't really know where to go now. So I'm gonna go to the information center and see what happens. Okay, so I'm kind of know where I'm going here. So, got snacks and bathrooms over there if you need to. And then right there is where we did the tour. Where the sun's out now, of course. Okay, so that was one side. Let's do the next one, the attack. All right, so a lot of people talked about that submarine. I just don't have the time to do it. But I am gonna go and see, get on this bus and see where it goes. Nice rain. Oh wow, that's huge. A shuttle bus to Ford Island. Okay, so welcome to the Battleship Missouri Memorial. So right behind me we actually have Battleship. Now this one is still up and going. But wow, this is incredible. Okay, so this ring is actually the circumference of the submarine that's over there. So that's pretty huge. That's crazy.